Shiba Inu to 10 cents. Shiba Inu is owned by Facebook, SHIBIINU's masterplan. Big news. If you are an active investor or a crypto enthusiast, you must have heard about the Shiba Inu coin. The Shiba Inu is a newly emerged currency which claimed itself as the successor of Dogecoin after the groundbreaking success of the latter. As you must have already known, Dogecoin was first released into the market in 2013 as a joke by its creators, Jackson Palmer and Billy Marcus. The coin has since grown in value and is an up-and-coming currency many are investing in. Now a new currency, the Shiba Inu coin, has appeared. Not much is known about where it came from, but it works as part of a decentralized exchange website. Shiba Inu, also known as SHIB, is one of the latest emerging cryptocurrencies to hit the market. But the major question is, will Shiba Inu holders become a millionaire? Is it going to pass the dollar mark? What is so special about the Shiba coin? If questions like this intrigue your curious mind, then this video is going to be the perfect place for you. Also, we're giving away $300 at the end of the month to a random subscriber to start them on their crypto journey. To enter, all you need to do is like the video, subscribe, and comment your favorite crypto coin in the comments section down below. So, sit back and stay with us until the end to know how Shiba Inu will cross the dollar milestone. Sounds interesting? Well, let's get started. Dogecoin seems to be steadily rising after the likes of Ethereum and Bitcoin. Now everyone is wondering, can Shiba Inu coin reach $1 and beat its competitors? Dogecoin was first hit the market in 2013 as a joke by its creators, Jackson Palmer and Billy Marcus. Fans are now wondering if the Shiba Inu coin will follow Dogecoin and aim to hit £1. However, it is doubtful that the Shiba Inu coin will reach the $1 mark as it does not show much growth. Unlike Shiba Inu's coin, Dogecoin. According to The Sun, the coin has not shown as much growth as Dogecoin and appears to be made as a way to facilitate Dogecoin to make money. On the other hand, Dogecoin is likely to hit $1. If Dogecoin hits the $1 mark, it will become a stable currency in the eyes of traders and investors. Mark Cuban, an American billionaire businessman, said of Dogecoin, "I think it can stop at $1 and become like a stable coin. If the Shiba Inu coin somehow follows Dogecoin, we can expect the exact yield in its growth." At the same time, Dogecoin has been on a steady trend since early 2021. The current market capitalization of Shiba Inu is $11.7 billion at the time of writing, while for Dogecoin, the market capitalization of this coin was $67.24 billion, down slightly from Forbes placing it at the beginning of May 2021 at $69 billion. Dogecoin holds its position as the fourth most popular coin on the market unchanged, as it is behind Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Binance Coin. Dogecoin is available for purchase from exchange sites like Binance and Kraken, which have proven reliable and secure in the past. However, at this time, Dogecoin is not available for purchase in GBP. If the trend continues on its upwards trajectory, the cost of SHIB could climb to $0.00003 by January 2022. By the same calculations, there is a slight chance the coin will reach $1 by 2025. However, according to other reports, SHIB is primed for a breakout as some analysts predict the price could double imminently. Despite almost 2 weeks of consolidation, SHIB has overcome indecision, working in favor of the bulls after gaining over 55% in market value from its bottom. According to crypto experts, Shiba Inu needs to escape above the upper trend line of the current parallel channel, coinciding with the strong resistance level given by the 54-hour moving average. By doing that, indeed, it could reach $0, which coincides with the 27.2% Fibonacci extension level, continuation of which will lead Shiba to the $1 mark. If you are an investor, then you have probably heard of Dogecoin, an internet currency that has moved from a joke to a force to be reckoned with. Following the recent success of meme coins, many are considering investing in similar cryptocurrencies that could follow in the footsteps of Doge. As a result of this digging, one of the currencies that has emerged in the trend is Shiba Inu. Shiba is a community-based project based on my dog Shiba Inu, whose popularity is mainly attributed to social media. He was called a Dogecoin killer because the project's website claimed that it could survive for a penny and still overtake Dogecoin in a short time, without a focus group, without funding, and even without direct leadership. The idea of SHIB is to create a cryptocurrency that is theoretically 100% decentralized and run by its community. It is based on Ethereum, unlike Doge, which is based on Bitcoin. Although Shiba Inu was less than a year old, it had a market value of over $3.8 billion in early June 2021, making it the 31st largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, according to CoinMarketCap. In another sense, Shiba Inu is relatively tiny. Another advantage may be more philosophical. Tabaret said, "Many people consider meme tokens like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu to project other than a joke, but it has worked as a first step for many crypto novices who can invest in other projects. In the long run, a broader cryptocurrency market is likely to see further growth and interest." With low Shiba Inu prices, investors can participate and risk money equivalent to the cost of a fast food lunch. So, for those who want to learn more about cryptocurrencies, Shiba Inu offers a low-cost route. The next step for SHIB seems to be to set up its exchange, shibaswap. This will allow people to exchange SHIBs for other cryptocurrencies in a decentralized exchange. Users can also hold another Shiba cryptocurrency, leash. No date has been set to launch shibaswap yet, although the company says shibaswap is going through security tests, checks, and balances, and a final update to prepare for a safe launch. If that happens, it could affect the price of Shiba Inu coins. It should also be noted about the Shiba Inu coin that it has a dedicated online fan base. The low cost of Shiba Inu coins and their minimal usefulness have about 30 Facebook groups, and the subreddit with 172,000 members is quite good. The price of SHIB rose from $0, with trading volumes rising from $367.4 million to $6.1 billion. And according to CoinMarketCap, it immediately raised the market cap from almost $0 to $60.2 billion. SHIB traded at an all-time high of $0 May 10th but fell back to a low of $0 May 19th. In the days after Buterin sold its shares, the price rose to $0 May 24th but dropped to $0 days later. At the end of May, it climbed higher to $0. The price of the coin on June 2nd reached $0.00000879. Some analysts predict that the SHIB could reach $1 while others remain skeptical about the future outlook. Market Realist has come up with a plan for how coins can get to dollar value, which is the primary goal of investors. SHIB will need to raise about 20,000% to hit a penny. Since January, the coin has grown by about 2 million a month, so in theory, it could easily hit 1 cent by the end of 2021, only if it stays on its current growth trajectory. Apart from that, it is expected that the self-claimed Doge killer, Shiba Inu, can reach $0.000085 toward the finish of June 2021. If it continues to rise, we can say that the cost will be $0.0003 in January 2022. By the calculations, there is a very low probability that it will reach $1 by 2025. Well, that was today's video, guys. Thanks a ton for watching it. Let us know how you liked it in the comments section. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned as we bring more intriguing content to your screens. Till then, stay healthy, stay hungry, peace.